Hey guys, it's Nails by Ray and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to give you guys a detailed tutorial on how to pierce your nail. So if you're interested to see how I do it, stick around. So in order to pierce your nails, you're going to need jewelry, of course, and I got these on Amazon. They come with different sizes in gold and in silver as well. I got this for about $9 on Amazon, so it's definitely affordable. They come with pliers that you'll need to close and open the jewelry, and it also comes with some tweezers. I decided not to use the tweezers, so that's why they're not shown, but it definitely does come with some if you feel like you need it. At first I was confused at what this is, but this is called a jump ring, which you use it to open up the jewelry before you insert it. And of course you'll need an e-file and this really sharp drill bit to pierce the nail, and all of these items will be linked below. Okay, so I went ahead and pierced my ring finger off camera, and that was actually my first time piercing a nail, so it actually came out pretty good. And so I'm going to pierce that nail again, and then I'm also going to pierce my index finger and show you guys how I do it. So the first thing you want to do is get your e-file and your sharp drill bit and figure out where exactly on the nail you want to pierce it, because it would suck if you put a hole in your nail and you decided, oh wait, I don't actually want to put the piercing here. Now of course you have to be very careful when doing this because you are using a very sharp drill bit. The way I have my hand angled here isn't exactly the best, and you don't want to hurt yourself, so just make sure that it's angled in a way where if the drill bit went through, it doesn't pierce your finger or your skin. I also want to note that I have my e-file on a really high speed than I normally do because I really wanted to get that drill inside the nail. And then as you can see here, I finally broke through and got through to the other side. And you want to make sure to just wiggle it around a little bit to make the hole a little bit wider depending on the size of jewelry you're going to use. And then I flipped my nail to reinforce the size of the hole on the other side because the jewelry will go through from the top, and then when it won't come out to the bottom, it'll get stuck because it's not exactly the same. And of course there's going to be some dust that come out, so you could just brush that off when you're done. So next you want to grab whatever size ring you decide to go with, and so I got this small gold piece, and I'm going to put pressure on it against the jump ring here to split it open. Where you see that little split in the ring, you just want to put pressure so it opens up as wide as you need it to. Once you've opened the ring to your desired size, then you can kind of get it in that hole there and just kind of push it in either from the bottom or from the top. And it kind of took me a while to get this part in, even though I had done it before. So you had to wiggle it around to get it in, and then it also was difficult for me to close it. I think that was just the angle in which I was doing it because I am recording what I'm doing, but I feel like if you're just doing it on your own, you can kind of bring your finger closer to your face and work better that way. But it's definitely not impossible. You just have to take your time and be patient with it, and then eventually you'll close the ring and it'll look really nice.
Today, the liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kind of like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. Hey, Yeah, I got one lawyer, got one, and that there is the only two, man. How many times have I told you the truth, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving them potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels or fuck up the deals. I'm posted in Stockholm, it's me, the Owls, and the twins, it's only the real. I'm moving way too humble, Weezy and handed it off, I still got no fumbles. I'm on a hot 100, numero uno, this one ain't come with a bundle. I'm in the win, $1 million in chocolate chips, and that's just how my cookie crumble. I put a skirt on the whip and a crown on the 6, but there's no need to dress up the numbers. Hey, hey. Yeah, but I can think of any reasons. They wanna know how I'm living my day-to-day life in the regular season. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I say...
Okay, so here is where I was able to successfully close the ring after I struggled for a little bit. And I just keep pressing down on it to make sure it's really closed. And then I'm going to move on to piercing my index finger.
We'll see what's about to happen. See what's about to happen. See what's about to happen.
Now onto my index finger, I'm going to be doing the exact same things that I did before.
Yeah. For the spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aim a lot of sticks like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich sex. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. I did take a lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Got me going jeans cause I'm cool, right? Checking from my fan life is fantastic. I was broke as hell, sleeping on the mattress. Feel like a hell when nobody happy. Hot shells jumping out, they send me automatic. Ran it up by the condo, got a new edit. Now the VVs with a V-long jean jacket. They can see me even if you had 3D glasses. Red bitch in the bikini, she from Calabasas. Got a pocket full of blue cheese and some green relish. I'm a psycho for these hunters, got a cash fetish. I've been studying these hunters, I'm a mathematic. In this love, make me wanna buy my dedicated. Since the love got me geeked up, I don't need a head. Drake gold, let these niggas know we've already. Spend some clothes on my bitches, we ain't ball capping. Alien feel like I'm living on my own planet. On the spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aim a lot of sticks like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich sex. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. I did take a lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Got me going jeans cause I'm cool, right? She know she was overseas, they were pan level. Shopping Tokyo, Japan, they the best ever. Blue bear t-shirt, sleeve button level. Hot top, turn a vert, riding anywhere. Ain't got a bend down, this ain't a propeller. Man, we spend it down, copping Gucci sweaters. They the drippin' niggas drowning, I cannot help it. Used to boom, now the guys, we are not the devil. Got Colombia ties out of Mexico. Spent the beds 100 times, still smell dope. Got some pimp, feel applying, feel like Velcro. My bitch fine and like shopping on Rodeo. I be if you don't want copy, it's a day, yo. Ain't stingy, my bro gonna get a payroll. I just want the pretty women in the peso. I can only hit the engine in this Lambo. On the spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aim a lot of sticks like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich sex. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. I did take a lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Got me going jeans cause I'm cool, right? On the spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aim a lot of sticks like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich sex. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. I did take a lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Got me going jeans cause I'm cool, right? New cool, I'm a space cadet. Yeah. Measure about 2 potatoes. Boom. Weezy dripping, got these niggas wet. We on the Boominati way. New cool, I'm a space cadet. Yeah. Measure about 2 potatoes. Boom. Weezy dripping, got these niggas wet. We on the Boominati way.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that bitch like Stockton. Just joshing. I'm spending this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song, give me that tempo. Told Pooh, he a fool with the shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the Ville and I'm moving Vincenzo's. Me and my amigos got that free smoke on the west coast. Yeah, I'm talking about pre-rolls. Dark hair bitch, she look like she go. She do. Hometown hero, feeling myself, can't murder my ego. She heard of my deep stroke. She said, babe, does it hurt when I deep throat? Certified freak hoe, hang around dust, and she looking at my lingo. Back then, wasn't worried about me though. In the gym, trying to work on my freak though. Goddamn, spending money at the club like Sam's. Yes, ma'am. She a little freak on cam. She don't put this on the ground. Little boys trying to diss on the ground. Hey, I can't switch on the.
Alright, so these are how the piercings look when I'm done. If you like the nails that I have on, please check out my previous video where I show you how I created them. And of course, be sure to hit that like button, let me know your thoughts, and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video.